This week on Makers Lab TV, life goes on. A word from the sales team, and the world goes online.
Oh well, here we are. But life must go on, right? And it does. A lot of people have turned to selling and buying online. Takealot is a firm favorite way of shopping online. If you are using this method to sell your product, take note that the sticker is there just to ensure that your delivery of the parcel is ensured to the correct location and on time. The vinyl that we have used here is a greyback vinyl just to ensure that it has the extra tack needed to stick to the box.
am.co.za would like to reassure all its clients that we are open for business and that we follow strict compliance to government rules and regulations regarding COVID-19.
Social distancing, hand sanitizers and face masks are all mandatory. In addition, the sales team would like you to take advantage of our online services and kindly give us a call in taking safe measures in getting the products to you. When it comes to our dispatch team, we at AM assure you that strict measures have been put in place for a cleaner, safer release of your product.
Even though e-commerce has existed for quite some time now, many businesses around the globe are focusing on it more than ever. These shampoo bottle stickers, for example, were ordered online. After the client approved the artwork, they were printed in large quantities, pre-cut on the plotter, and then sliced into rows for easy packaging and delivery. And the client never once had contact with the manufacturer. Pretty simple. With the Takealot stickers completed, the accuracy of delivery services is assured. But what if some of your clients are doing their own deliveries? Can't you offer them their own packaging labels?
Well, of course you can have your own sticker, or any other method you'd prefer to have on a box, for delivering your own products to the customers anywhere that you choose, on time, within the date that you need, and just to say thank you on the sticker for shopping with us. In the same breath, on the sticker you can have your brand. Make sure that people understand that you are really thankful for them shopping with you. And in later time, when you need to order again, the sticker's there and you won't, lose the information that you need to shop again with them. No matter the shape or size box, the sticker works the same. They look cool and they'll get delivered to you.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. am.co.za. Achievement matters.